Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I decided to make a healthy, hearty dish for those winter days in January. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today: minestrone soup. Let's get to the ingredients: Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt, unsalted vegetable stock, extra virgin olive oil, red pepper flakes, Parmesan cheese, diced celery, and white onions I have diced in this bowl, fresh string beans, fresh spinach, fire roasted tomatoes, Yukon Gold potatoes. I have cubed them up and I have them sitting in cold water so that they don't turn brown. And I have here pasta. I'm using shells. You can use macaroni if you choose to. Diced carrots and kidney beans. I have a large pot here, and we're going to turn it on medium-high. First thing, we're going to add some olive oil. And as always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Celery and the diced onions. And the carrots. We're going to let these saute up together for about 2 minutes. Now, these vegetables that I have in here have sauteed up for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the Yukon Gold diced potatoes. And then stir this up, and we're going to let this saute up together for a total of another 3 minutes. Then I'll be back to add the rest of the ingredients. Let's check and see if this set of vegetable is ready so we can add in the next set. Yes. So now we're going to add the vegetable stock in. The fire roasted tomatoes, jumping the pot. The red pepper flakes, jump behind it. The Italian seasoning. Some black pepper. Some salt to taste. The kidney beans. And the water. Now we're going to cover this up and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's see how the first part of the soup is coming along. Yes, now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. The pasta shells, the green beans, and the spinach. We're going to stir everything up. And now we're going to let this cook for about 8 to 12 minutes. Uncover it. Let's check and see if the minestrone soup is ready. Oh, yes, it's ready to serve up. All these nice, rich vegetables. I've plated this minestrone soup up and I've sprinkled some Parmesan cheese over the top. Here you have it. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And I would like to say to my viewers and subscribers, if you would like me to make a certain recipe you would like, message me on Instagram and I'll check it out. So I will see you soon with another video. Bye.